Okay, for number 2, you have to find the slope. That's always the first step, okay? Now in the last one, we had 2 points, so we used the slope equation, the slope formula, I'm sorry. In this one, we're going to use this information here to find the slope. So we know that parallel slopes are the same as the original slope. So I need to figure out what the slope is of this line, okay? So I have 3y equals negative x plus 9. And then I'm going to divide all the terms by 3. And I have y equals negative x divided by 3 plus 3. Now when you see this, you need to remember that there's a 1. A lot of you forget to write that. And so what this slope is, when we're looking at it, the slope is equal to negative 1/3. And since we learned that it's parallel and it's the same, okay, this is also equal to the parallel slope. So I found my slope, and now I'm not going to look at this information anymore. I'm only going to look at the point, and then it's exactly the same. So my second step is to substitute it into point slope form. So I have my slope, and it comes directly over here. And then I have x plus 7, because we're subtracting a negative 7. And now it's the same thing. We're going to distribute this 1/3 to both of those terms, and then we're going to add the 2 over. So I have y equals negative 1/3 x minus 1/3 times 7 is 7/3, and then I add the 2. But since I need a common denominator, this 2, my denominator is going to be 3. I'm going to multiply by 3 over 3, so I have minus 7/3 plus 2 times 3 is 6, 1 times 3 is 3. So I have y equals negative 1/3 x minus, and then 7/3 plus 6/3, it's going to end up being minus 1/3. So that's my equation, and my answer to number 2.